Legends of Learning presents the Carambola game. This is a science game that makes learning about our solar system fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, this is a billiard type game based on gravity mechanics.
Orbiting the center of the Milky Way and dragging the rest of the solar system with it?
You need to use the different gravitational force of the different bodies of the solar system to reach the hole with an asteroid. If you hit even one of the other spatial objects, you lose. Use the mouse to position the pool cue in the right direction to shoot the asteroid ball. See if you can complete each level to learn more about the solar system. Click and drag and drop the mouse to change the power of your shot to see if you could score more points. Restart the level if you cannot sink the ball in 3 shots. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing!